the syntax? Variable name and value. So what is the variable name? Let's say a equal to 5. Can you please tell me which is identifier and which is value? A is identifier and 5 is value. So here I'll go to my code and just let's go ahead. And team, you can watch the recording as well. So did you check your versions, everyone? The first, whenever you write any code, make a proper documentations, guys. Python identifier. Okay, just go here. This is the first concepts we cover. What is the syntax? Variable name? A equal to 5. And let's call capital A. Is it valid or invalid? So online team and offline team, the one who already completed, that's fine, Python, but just stay around with me for some days. It's a valid or invalid? Some of them A is invalid. You know why it is invalid? Let's go and bug. What is the error, guys? Name error. See, what is the error type? The first error we got, name error. What is meant by name error? See, we assign the value with small letter, but I'm calling with capital letter. So it is definitely a bug. Error means, so I'm going to remove it and let's keep a small a, then 5. So what is the first rule I can say? Now I can mention some rules to define Python identifier. So the first rule, it is a case sensitive. It is a, isn't it? It is a case sensitive. For example, I say NIT is equals to 27 and let's call NIT. Is it valid or not? Why, guys? Because identifier is NIT, the value is 27. But if I change to capital N, it is a valid or invalid? Invalid. Why, guys? Again, name error. Offline team, understand? So I know because these are the basic, the one who done, don't worry. Just let's focus on it now. Case sensitive. This is called case sensitive. So I'll go here and write the first rule is rule number 1. It is case sensitive. Now, why I'm talking about this one? In future classes, we build many machine learning models. Just go here and see some of the OpenCV color detections, and we done some of the red color masking. If you see this, guys, do you see this is very identified or not? This is also identified. So why we learn these concepts? Because in future, whenever you're going to do any project, this concept has implement there. Online team clear? So everywhere the identifier is required and you have to know some rules. The first rule is case sensitive. Can we go to the second rule? The second rule is, next one, 3 NIT equal to 89. 3 NIT equal to 89. But before that, see, let's add here, NIT equal to 27 or not? Yes. Now, if I write 27 equal to NIT, it is valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? Why it is invalid? Because syntax is wrong. So first we have valid or invalid online team. So this is, just go ahead and check. It is invalid, syntax error. What is next error? See how the errors are changed. See that being a developer, you have to know the error type. If you know the problem, then only you fix the error or not. So the first, how many error type we discuss? The first one is name error. The first one is name error. And the second one is syntax error. So that means let's go here. And the first one, pre-NIT. So this is invalid again. This is, you can work along with me, guys. You can work along with me. So this is second week. So tomorrow there is a no class. Next class is on Monday. I will give you some assignment today. I'll give you some assignment today. Try. If you don't understand, don't worry. I will give you one assignment. You can work and complete. You feel so comfortable. Every day, I'll give you more assignments. Without do assignment, see, nobody will give you job without don't work. Colleges, nobody teach you all these things. Being a 17-year experienced guy, I know by many people of us, I know this guys. Understand? So here, 3 NIT 89. So what is second rule? What is second rule? The second rule saying identifier never start with digit. Am I correct or not, guys? Identifier never start with digit, because if I say 3 NIT 89, but now what I'm going to do, let me copy and just mention here, I'll change it. Let's keep it back again. And then NIT 3, just call. Perfect. Got the concepts? So when you assign the identifier beginning of any variable, so you got bug. So how many rules? Always remember these rules, guys. The first alphabetic in data science is identifier. In school days, kids learn A for apple. Okay. The same things is like Python identifier. So if you know these concepts in upcoming classes, lifetime, you know what is identifier. You never forgot these concepts. Same coding equal in India, US, America, everywhere coding is same. Next one. Are you clear up to this second point? Next, third point. Let's say NIT at the rate equal to 8. NIT at the rate equals to online team. If you have laptop, just open your platform, you can work. Offline team, if you want to do, you can do. Understand, guys? So, but focus and then you can do. It's up to you. Now, NIT at the rate, what is output now, guys? 8. Yes. Just go ahead and check. We got error. What is error? Syntax error. Syntactical error. So, syntax error, also called syntactical error. Understand, guys? This error we called as compile time error. What error we call, guys? Compile time. What is compile time? While I write, a user entered this at the rate or not? I'm a user. So if I let's go here and I'll type equal. It is error or not? Just go and check syntactical error, because user, the error done from user side. You are a user. The error made from my side is called compile time. Error are three types, guys. The first one, error are three type of errors. The first type, try to understand the error. See, whenever you everyone has a vehicle, the vehicle got damaged. If you don't know where exactly the issue, can you fix it? No. If you don't know the error, can you fix your bug? No. Understand? So how many types of error? Three types of error. The first one is compile time error. What is the error? Compile time error. Next one, logical error. Next one, runtime error. All those things I will explain in later, but compile time error is always we get syntax error. That means the error made by user or developer. The error made by user and this one. So just don't try, just follow me. Online team, you need to do two activities, listen and type. Every fingers are connected to brain. Understand, guys? 10 times reading is equals to one's writing. Do you know these statements? When you connect, these fingers are connected to the brain. So there's a few things, please understand. So when you type, okay, the signal pass, we have a concept called deep learning neural network. We have a concept called deep learning neural network. So when you type, the signal pass and brain is activate. The brain is, so are you clear? So now here you can type. So let's go ahead and check NIT 8. It is a invalid or not? Now you can try NIT underscore NIT cap equals to 8. Now execute error. So team, any questions we'll talk at the end. And I know the one who already know, I said this is easy topic because as in this batch, there are 95% are non-technical and 3% are mid-level of Python. So my job is to start from the scratch level. Are you clear, guys? So if you know, that's good. If you know, just allow me some more days. Everyone is equal pace. Understand? So I make everyone as equal. So I have respect your time. So respect your dedications, guys. I made most of people has career transitions. It's your life now. Okay. So let's follow this. Now, what is third rule? The third rule says special character. These are special character or not? Special character is allowed or not allowed? Allowed or not allowed, online team? Not allowed. Okay. In different height identifier. The special character is not allowed. Anyone not understanding, I want you to go my previous classes and watch all the program we'll do together. I want to bring your laptop. So this is a demo. In demo, lot of things I mean, in depth, I'll go once you get back to the classes and enrolled. I promise you, this session would be mind blowing. I have a lot of expertise on it in teaching, in career transitions and more things. Just trust my words. Come back and study with me. Just make a bam. Okay, guys, let's go ahead. Special characters allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Are you guys understand up to this? Okay, next one. Okay, I'll say NIT, special character is not word, and A equal to true. A is equals to true. When I say A, true is not accepted, guys. See here, these are the values or not. Now the values are number. Now I entered a text. So let's say A equal to, I can call ABC. Just go A. Name error because these are strings, guys. All right. So here, these are strings. So string, I'll tell you what is strings one by one. So if I mention two single quotes, just go here. And if I mention two single quotes, just mention this work, isn't it? But now, so team, are you understand guys up to this? Okay. So keywords. What is keywords? Reserve words. Every programming had some reserve word, guys. So I will mention here. Every program has reserve words. What is meant by reserve? That has special meaning. You know, guys, do you remember in school days when we go by bus, car, we give a hanky, that seat is mine. We go to the restaurant and we keep our reserved, the table is reserved for someone. So these way we have some reserve words as well. So the first one is import keyword. Okay. So reserve words also called as keyword, guys. So here and keyword dot tab kw list and execute. These are some reserve words. Just copy everything. Just go here and I will mention over here. If you learn entire word, your Python is complete. Understand? Every programming language, C, C++, Java, everything has a reserve word, guys, or keywords. So if you learn all these keywords, then your Python is complete. Guys, are you understand or you feel sleepy? No, right? Okay. So I will take today more session because tomorrow there is a holiday, Saturday this week. Next Saturday, I'll schedule a mock interview. Next Saturday, I'll schedule a mock interview. No need to be scary. It's not a school. It's not a college. The test has conducted to test your knowledge with you. No marking, nothing else. Just to know how you learn from it. Shall we do it or don't want? Online team and offline team. Shall we do it or don't want, guys? excited for interview. Very good. I want. So everyone has to write a test. Okay. And this would be very good. So when you do this test, but if you see this keyword, do you see false, none, true? Except three, everything is a small letter or not? Do you notice this, guys? Offline team, if you bring, so yeah, mock interview, I'll give a test paper and I will upload in the classroom. You will take up a test and we will understand the test. So every time, every classes, you have to bring your laptop. When I speak, when you type also, lot of things you learned. Understand, guys? So keyword dot. So here false, none, true, isn't it? Let's try A equal to false. Now let's go to false. It is a false or not? Why? Let me tell you, in Python, whenever you define true, false, none, first letter is capital letter. Clear this logic? True, false, none, the first letter is. For example, what happens, sir, if you don't apply false? Error. What is error? False is not defined because we go against the rule. We go against the rule. You know what rule says, guys? We need to drive our vehicles in left side. What happen if I drive on right side? In next day, there is no person to drive. Isn't it? Many things happen. So here, so these are the thing. Triple non start with. Yeah. True, false, none start with capital letter. Very good. Let's go to the documentations here. Just go to the documentations. True, false, none. Okay. Always start with capital letter. Remember this, guys. Minimize it. So here, just try this. Now I want to say true plus true. What is output? True plus true. So here, true. Just go and check. The answer is 2. The answer is 2. That means system understand true means 1. How? Type int of true. I'm converting integer. Just go ahead and check 1 or not. Now, int false. Can you tell me what is output, everyone? Can you tell me what is output? 0. Now, can you respond true plus false? What is output? Hey, just answer me. Man, 1. How do you say false? True means 1, false means 0. So 1 plus 0 is pretty clear or not? True plus true minus true, open bracket, and then into true. Can you tell me what is response? Can you tell me what is response for this? Do you know the BODMAS rule? What is bracket first? Just go here and 1. Guys, concepts clear? So this is called identifier. We have many more concepts. Now let's see int of, okay, so true by true. What is output? True by true is 1.0. It is a float division. When you say true divided by true, what is output? 1. This is a interdivision, guys. Are we clear, everyone? So first, slowly we understood. Then we go to data type, data structures, heap, queue, string. But you have to be little work hard. Okay, spend more time every day. So guys, I hope you understood this one. So how many keywords we have? So how do I know? Let's copy, and if I apply length function, just go ahead and enter 35 keywords. I think if your laptop, okay, I know online team, some of them already expert on it. So that's why the one I have to teach like this or not? Now you, sir, I'm experienced. If you're experienced, you go back my 5:30 p.m. batch, we'll go AI over there. Okay. Now all the learning would be more exposure over there. All right, guys. So teach like this only. Okay, good. Now, so how many concepts? Next one. Okay, here, keywords. Now let's say true equal to 7. It is valid or invalid? True is a keyword. True is a keyword. Now I'm saying variable invalid. So why it is invalid? Keyword never be identifier. Just go and check. Execute. Syntax error. True equal to 7. Just true. Output. See, what is the keyword here? If def functions, let's copy and try def equal to 78. Valid or invalid? Everyone answer me, please. Valid or invalid? Offline team. Who said valid? No? Okay. So everyone said invalid. It is invalid because def is a keyword, rigid word. Rigid word means that has defined for a functions. That define as a functions. See, Python is very interesting. It depends on the faculty, how you understand. I'll give more examples where you never feel like it's a hard. Do you feel it's like a hard? No. You never feel every loop. So you bring your laptop, you do with me. You said, sir, thank you because I learned a lot. That's what people get placed. I'm teach you systematic way. One by one, we'll go for it. Invalid. If I say df equal to 78, valid or invalid? Do you see the colors are changed or not? Do you see? Now don't, okay, that's what I'm not saying. These are some indications here. Now 78. So I hope you got my point. So these 35 keywords can never be, these 35 keywords can never be identifier or variable. So here I go ahead. The fourth one is what next? Keywords. Okay. Never, keywords are not allowed as identifier, are not allowed. We cannot define as an identifier. Keywords are not defined as an. So how many rules, guys? Are you clear? What are the first rule? So tomorrow, whenever you write any project, look at this. These are projects we build. Whenever you build, have you see any keywords, any variables like only underscore alert? I come back to that. You haven't. If you fall these buckets, you get error, guys. Very much clear up to this. How many of them understand online team? Yeah, is it right? Yeah, definitely. That's fine, guys. You can assign anything. You can assign anything, guys. You shouldn't be a keyword. How many of them understand non-technical, guys? Raise your hands. Anyone non-technical here? You guys understand in detail what required? Just go home and practice. That's what required. Every day, if you are a fresher, if you are a fresher, practice 6 to 7 hours. Practice 6 to 7 hours. What happens are not practice? Come on, guys. If you don't practice, then nobody will give us jobs, isn't it? Just go here. Okay, let's go back. Sometimes that call execution is not happening. See, Sri Misra, try to, rather than you practice, then ask your questions. Please mention not in front of a define. Okay, not equal to 56. You have a system you can practice rather than you ask me a question. You have a concept. I teach you, sit and type, check the bug and write it down. So while you're doing this, any error you face, okay, 35 keywords. 35 keywords are identifiers. No, man. Keywords are different. Identifiers are different. Just now I mentioned, I'm saying identifiers, okay, keywords are not defined as an identifier. If you see this, keywords are not defined as an identifier. Next one, the fifth point, only underscore is allowed. What is the sixth point, guys? Only It's correct now. Thank you. Only underscore is allowed. So what is meant by underscore? Just little scroll down. I will share this document. You can practice. NIT, just go here. NIT underscore equal to 89. NIT underscore, it is a valid or not? So that's why let's go to the project now. Do you see low red color? I want to detect, you want to detect a red color. You want to detect a blue color. RGB, red, green, blue. So if you have this, so only red colors are, underscore is accepted. Except underscore, not any things are accepted. So guys, I hope you understood everyone. Now let's see, NIT star equals to 90. Is it valid? NIT star, is it valid, guys? Yes or no? No. But underscore is valid or not? Yes. So only underscore. So the last point, so I hope this fifth point is important. This fifth, okay. The last point is, okay, a user need to call the identifier with same name, with same name. Let me copy and I go here and then apply. So these are the pointers we discussed today. These are the pointers we discussed today. So let's go here and only underscore is allowed. So I mean to say, let's see, I can say A equals to 90, right? Now, if I call A, is it a valid or invalid? Valid or invalid, guys? Just go and check. Why invalid? Why it is invalid, guys? The reason being it is invalid, you have this much of length limit. Identifier has no length limit. So the next one I can say as identifier has no length limit, guys. So identifier or variable has no length limit, but you have to call with same length or not. So remember, never ever assigned identified with long length. By the time you type, your train will go. Okay, I'm just saying. So here, let's copy and just paste here. Hey, buddy, you understand? Just go here and check. So team, are you clear? This is what Python identifier. So today, first topics we covered as Python identifier is completed. My question to everyone, is it very hard? Is it very hard? Now, I'll give you a small, just do things, just minimize. And I have one moment. Just go to work and then NIT. Just maintain a proper folder like this every day. So there's no more demo from Monday onwards. There's no more demo from Monday onwards. So Monday, any new students come, I will take last 15 minutes for them. Okay. So we fully fledge into core development programming. Don't worry, man. It's very easy. Trust my, I'll make things easy. So no, it's not hard. I'm enjoying this. You will enjoy 6 months, guys. 5 days you listen me. The way I teach you, the same way I will teach you for 6 months. After complete the batch, you can talk me at any time for lifetime. Are you guys clear? You have my LinkedIn. I'll give my number and we can have, see, many of interviews are scheduled to my student. And I want everyone to apply the job in third month onwards. By the time anyone is get offer, guys, anyone will get offer. Understand? If you don't apply, nobody can say this. See, this is 6 part. Are we clear again? Just try and we try to understood. See, let's go here. And I'm saying 5 does equal to 5. These are two things. This is called assigning operators. I'll give you all the 5 equal to 5. Error or not? Cannot assign to here. Maybe you mean equal to, do you see I got answers here itself? Comparison. So just copy and try and just equal and try. True or not? 5 equal to 5? I'm asking, does 5 equal to 5? Yes, it is. So good. I say 5 not equal, exclamatory mark 5. True or false? Definitely 5 not equal to 5 equal to 5. Now let's say 6 not equal to 5. So very simple. Understand here. I just typed a number here. I don't want to type a number. I just add a identifier or variable. So I do A equal to 5, B equal to 6. It is a valid or invalid, guys? It is a valid. Now I'm checking conditions. Does A equal to B? False. C, A equal to 5, B equal to 6. Now I'm asking, does A equal to B? False. That means 5 is not equal to 6. But here, if I say C equal to 5 and just execute A equal to C, online team, can you respond this? Can you respond this, true or false? So team, are you understand or not understand? Very simple, man. If this is also not understand, if you not understand this concept, then don't join. Understand, guys, what I'm saying? If you do not understand these concepts, then ignore. So very simple, what I'm trying to say here, A equal to 5, B equal to 6. A is identified, B how many identifier created? In memory, in RAM, I created 2 spaces, A and B. A stored 5 value, B stored 6 value. So how do I know, sir? Very simple. Just go and close it. Just add ID. ID means what? Address. Every house has address or not? When you go to the schools, colleges, we have an ID card. What is meant by ID? Identity. So in the memory, print ID of A, print ID of B. Check. So here in RAM, I created 2 variable A, B. A stored 5 value, B stored 6 value. Very much clear? So this 536 is address of A, 568 is address of B. Pretty clear or not? Now here what happened? When I define C equal to 5 here, did I define or not? Did I define C equal to 5, guys? Please listen to the class and focus the class. C equals to 5. When I say C equal to 5, do you think it will create a new memory? Yes or no? Do you think it will create a new memory? Yes or no? Okay, the answer is no, because this reflect to C. Python is object oriented. I'll get back to you more introductions as this is a demo. Still, I covered only one part, identifier, to show you how the technical we start. Like this way, we build identifier, OOPS concepts, functions, and decorator, generator, iterator, and then we work machine learning projects, deep learning projects, computer vision projects, all the beautiful projects we're going to work like this, guys. Understand, team? So here for now, just go here and can you answer me? True, definitely, guys, you get true because A5, C also 5 or not? But my question, if I print ID of C, can I get different ID or which ID I will get? Okay, what is ID ends with online team? Can you respond? What is the ID ends with? If I get 536 or okay, the answer is online team. So same ID, just go ahead and 536. Do you see? Now here, print. Okay, I'll give you what is use of print here. The first ID of A, and then ID of B, and then ID of C. When I execute, only one ID is appearing or not? But I want to print A and B both. I want to print everything. So that's why if I apply, let's copy print function, and then I will get all the IDs now. Print ID of B and print ID of C. Do you see? Now 536, but better. I just cut them up, and then I'll move it back here and then just go here. Good. Both are clear or not? I'll write one conditions. ID of A does equal to ID of C. Yes or no? True or false? True or false? Just go ahead. True. Fantastic. Just copy, and here ID of B is not equal to ID of C. True or false? True or false, guys? Very good, online team. Thank you for your responses. So here, just go ahead and execute true, because these two had got different one. Can I share this work to you? Can I share this notepad to you guys? ID of A is inbuilt value. Yep, yep. Can I share this to you? This is a very static point. And today I will review what are the topics we covered. Today this is the technical pointers which we mentioned. So if you know, I know these things, but there's no harm. The first one, we talk about review of the previous classes we covered. And then we talk about most powerful libraries for data science, Gen AI, and AI and all machine learning, NLP. Okay, we review a little bit on it. LangChain, LangSmith, YOLO, we have all those things, right, guys? And then we bring one live placed student, and we discussed about her journey. Understand, guys? And then we introduce why Python is very powerful, and what job anyone can apply. Anyone can apply. And then we first concept we introduce is identifier, also we called as variable. Also we called as variable. And what is the syntax of this, guys? Syntax equals to, very simple, variable name equals to value. How many rules we covered? Rules to define Python identifier. Just go to my notepad and just copy everything. I'll remove this, and then every day I'll maintain these notes. This is called technical notes. Do you want like this or you don't want, guys? Do you want me to maintain or not required? Maintain? Actually, this should maintain by you. I'm helping to you, isn't it, guys? So then what next? I will share all the documents today in the drive. Go home and please work. And this document, this drive will not active from Monday, because as you know, who am I, how am I teaching, and you can see my LinkedIn, see the status and all those things. And the next one, so whoever enrolled, I appreciated. So the next step is definitely go until 5 days. It's YouTube live as well. And the next Sunday, I'm going to take workshops on group, and maybe most of them not understand this, but still it's your wish. And also, please register yourself in the classwork. I will again, I'm telling you the last statements today before I go ahead and talk to you. The durations of the class, let me tell you, the duration of the class is 1 hour 30 minutes. If you have any questions, please join 15 or 25 minutes back, 20 minutes back. Okay. And the next one from Monday to Friday, the timing is 7:30 p.m. IST to 9 p.m. IST. And then again 15 minutes, I will give time for discussions. I'll explain everything in the notes, everything in the notes. Okay. And the next one, see, another one for recording classes, the fee is 27K INR. And without recording, this one would be 21, 21K INR. Okay.